welcome to my channel. My name is Sudarshan. Today I am going to talk about something that I have done. Before that, if you are new to my channel, I request everybody to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you guys never miss my videos. Okay guys, let us begin. Guys, in this video, what I'm going to tell is that now I'm comfortable with uploading videos because that there are some lecture classes for preparation for competitive exams, so that is why I am not able to upload till now. Now I'm comfortable that I've almost finished this lecture classes, whatever it had. So the only thing I have to do is solving numericals. That is the thing I just want to tell. Well guys, because as I said, since due to completion of my lectures, I'm not able to upload new videos, which I told you long back. And another thing here is, today I am very much happy that I've almost uploaded the lecture classes available. So the only thing I have to do is to keep doing revision and solving problems. This is the thing. And in my thing, what I am trying to do is only solving problems from now on, because as I mentioned myself that once we fix a date to start the part test, you should not go with any kind of lecture, or you should never read anything. Think that you're going to an exam. That is how I think. So what I was thinking is that okay, let's follow this and let's do some problems and go ahead. That is why. Yes guys, it has been a very long and constrained, but it was not easy to finish that much in a day. It took hectic preparation to finish it off. So what I am prepared is that your competitive exam is one of the way to success. As I have already told you that competitive exam is one of the way you can make yourself higher. Apart from this, there is no other choices, which I have already told you. So from this, I am a bit comfortable. Also to say that when there are opportunities to make myself higher, I am a bit comfortable with whatever I have. So I motivated myself that start your any kind of small test during a good time. That is the best thing. So I planned and talked to my mom and I said okay, let's do it. So as per the procedure, I'm very much happy with my mom, and as per the timetable, finding it okay, because from now on only 6 months available away for exam. So that is why I am preparing and not to waste time any moment. Sometimes I have seen that how to crack exam, how to make through high rank. So there are the videos that is inspiring me very much. But I am trying my level best to make it. But we all know that getting to top rank requires so much of hard work. But I will tell you what happened. Okay, guys, not now. And another thing I want to tell is that from now on, I'm comfortable with uploading videos, and it will not be late from now on, because guys, yesterday due to some hectic works happening, the video got uploaded very later. So from now on, I'll try my best to make it very earlier. That's it. And because since due to hectic preparation, I was not able to make videos. Okay guys, this is it. I will see you up in the next video. Till then, good night.